Hey guys, stop for just 1 second. This is Jeff R. White. Listen, if you are watching this ad, don't click the skip button right now. If you're an affiliate marketer or a network marketer person that's looking to generate leads online, this video is for you. And I know that's kind of corny, the picture that I use, but hey, you get the point. I want to share with you this marketing automation software that I've been using. If you notice right here, it helps you to build authority on social media, unlock your 5,000 friends, and it helps you to target people on Facebook in order for you to be able to sell your products, your digital marketing products, and things like that. If you notice right here, it says build a laser targeted and responsive audience. Quickly add 5,000 friends. Only takes a few minutes of your time. This is 100% pure automated software. And you notice right here, it sends automated messages for you to be able to target the people and also talk to them. Dynamic automation, personalized messages, filtered it by dates, all types of great things. I've been using it here over the last year or so, and I decided I'm going to share this with the world because this software is actually it's amazing. Let me show you this. Let me go over to my email and show you some of the emails that once these people actually, the system sends them a message and it sends them information about my business. These people opt into my capture pages. This is my Aweber. These are just leads that have came into my email account. And this is my Stripe account with today's sales in it. You notice right there. So if you're interested in an automation software that can help you to generate more traffic and leads, there's going to be a button over here. It's going to say, it's probably going to have my link right here where you can click on that in this ad. Or maybe if you're watching it on mobile, if you see my cursor right here, somewhere in here, there's going to be a button that says visit advertiser or something like that. It's going to take you over to a page where you can get a full presentation and see exactly how this software works. And it might be something that you want to use for yourself, and you also may want to share if you have maybe an organization and other people in your business that need leads and sales for this. Maybe you're a person that just has a ton of people who are looking for ways to get more leads. This is actually for any of that. So with that being said, you click on the button here. It should be a button like I said, and it'll take you over to a page where I'll show you exactly how this software works. All right, take care. We'll talk soon.